Welcome back to this course, guys. So right now, come to Notebook LLM. Just type Notebook LM on Google. So this is your Notebook LM right here. So it says notebooklm.google. So this is the domain name, notebooklm.google. So right now it says understand anything. So Notebook LM is a research assistant, but then you can use it to do a lot of things. You can use it for subject expansion, knowledge retention, and a lot of things. So it says your research and thinking partner, grounded in the information you trust, built with the latest Gemini models. So if I ask you now, do you think Gemini is dull with everything you've seen so far? So Gemini has other fashion. Like this Notebook LM now is embedded into Gemini, not just it's being embedded into Gemini. This is a Notebook LM feature, and we have other ones like Google View 3. We have Imagine, which is the image generation. Nano Banana, Deep Research is a Notebook LM feature. But right now, let's come to the Google Notebook LM ourselves and let's try to use it. So I'm going to try Notebook LM right away, and we're going to see use cases for you to use this Notebook LM. So I've done a lot of things with Notebook LM, like you could see right here, but we're going to start all over and start doing something afresh. So this is Notebook LM for you, and this is what the interface looks like right now. So you could come to the settings to see how you could do some major settings. So you can manage your subscription. Like you can see, this is the pro version of the Notebook LM, as you can see from here. So you could see this the next subscription I could do. So the best of Google A in one subscription. So you have the pro at the moment. So the pro we have at the moment is for Google One. Yes, not Google Ultra. So as you can see right here now, so we can use Notebook LM to start doing what Notebook LM does. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we get to start practicalizing that. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.